Can I check my Apple gift card balance online?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to check your Apple gift card balance online. It's a simple and convenient process that allows you to keep track of your remaining funds. Let's get started.
What do I need?
Before we begin, there are a few things you'll need. First, ensure you have your Apple gift card with you, as you might need the unique code printed on it. Secondly, you will need an Apple device with access to the internet.
Where do I check my Apple gift card balance?
Now, the main question arises: where do you check your Apple gift card balance? The answer is simple. You can check your balance on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac via the App Store. This process can only be done through an Apple device, as Apple does not provide an online portal to check gift card balances directly on a website.
How do I check my Apple gift card balance?
The process is straightforward. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the App Store on your device. You can find this app on your device's home screen. Step 2. Click on the user icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Sign in with your Apple ID if you're not already signed in. Step 4. Once signed in, you'll see your Apple ID balance displayed on the screen. This balance includes the amount from your Apple gift card. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to check your Apple gift card balance online. Remember, you need an Apple device and your Apple ID to do this. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and happy spending!